What's up? It's Kavine and Courtney here, and together we are Majestic Love. So guys,
I have a burning issue. These women nowadays are she going like say she no enjoy sex just as me. Straight off fire but. You see me? She make it look like say a man alone want it and me no say she enjoy just as me. You see me? And I can't put restrictions on how much times a week, much times a day. Yeah, me just want it when I want it.
So basically this video came about, we have a difference in how much times and how often we should be intimate. I don't know about you guys, but for me 2 times a week is enough, is a good amount. Like, that's a lot, you know.
What?
He doesn't believe that 2 times a week is ample.
2 times a week for the house chores, for wash and then look at something there. Clean your house and then sit in the front corner. 2 times a week you want to do that?
Babe, 2 times a week.
For what?
2 times a week is not really bad.
What do you mean?
Okay, what is ideally your amount of times you want?
2-3 times a day.
A day. Unfortunately.
You get 5 days off, you know?
5 days off?
5 to 7 days off, you know?
Guys, I want you to comment below. Let me know how many times per week
watch ya.
is acceptable to you.
28 days in a month, right?
Now which month? February?
Every month, 28 days, you know? Every month I have 28 days.
Okay.
Zane, and you only can give me 21 out of 27. So you tell me say now. 28 days in a month. Zane. And you have period for 7 days. So that left you with 21. So you tell me say with 21 days, probably 20 because the day before you go in a bag of pain and you go, you see me? So 20 days. So 2 weeks and so change. So 2 weeks and 6 days. Me I go get it 2 times. For them the time there.
Babe, sometimes,
Sometimes, yeah.
I can only speak for myself, but I just feel like sometimes, especially if the man well endowed, it can be overwhelming for a woman. You see?
And for it.
To get your body mashed on twice a week. More than twice a week.
If you want help, you know, you can't tell me say you want help. You know.
What kind of help?
Shit.
Huh?
Yeah?
What kind
of help?
I can't
manage it, I know I'm going to look help for you.
So are you willing to cheat if...
Me not cheat that. Me I get help for you.
But here's the thing.
Yeah, no.
See, when you're in a long distance relationship, guys, it is very much understandable, right? Sex is good, it's fun, but when it becomes too much...
There's nothing as too much.
What? I highly disagree. Ladies, comment below. Like, is there a thing? Is there too much? Can you have too much sex?
Something wrong with it. There can't be too much.
I think I have a limit.
Well, me go like the Energizer bunny, you see me? Just go to the battery run dry.
Pretty much that's how he is and that's how he thinks, and it's hard for me to cope. So I just want
That's what I tell you. Yes. If you have an issue, just tell them to get help, man.
Babe, are you willing to portray yourself like that person on camera? Because you know you're not that person.
Yeah.
Take you off of that closing.
Worry. Say.
Don't portray yourself as that person when you're
don't worry, man. You will get help.
But anyway, the moral of the story with this, guys, is twice a week is enough.
For who?
It's enough.
The thing now, old man.
Twice a week is enough. You see?
If you think me a old man. I said about twice a week. You think me a old man? You think me in my 70s? I'm not used to my thing. My thing where I can fire and all cylinders.
So how much is enough? How much is enough?
I tell you, 2 to 3 times per day.
2 to 3 times per day, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, comment below.
Yeah, man. 2 to 3 times.
2 to 3 times, guys. Let me know.
And
Like,
on Saturday and Sunday, you can go up to 4.
Majestic squad, let's be real here, right? As a woman, you have time to sit down and make a man.
I don't see that. Come on, that I
walk
think you know
out
you
for
want to sit
2
down.
to 3. What you say?
Sit down, you want to sit down.
Nah, I don't want.
That's I think.
So what me fi do? Run and jump?
I'll boom flick funny.
This is just TMI, okay? But babe, especially in a long distance relationship where we don't see each other quite often, him well charged and wanted way more.
Someone charge up, man.
Him well charged up like Energizer Bunny. But guess what, guys? At the end of the day, him and I had to come to a compromise, like.
Well, she have to compromise.
Yeah, and the compromise was it twice? Twice a day. So far, that definitely has been, babe. What you do so much thing for?
No, I listen to you, cause I don't know you can make it look like say yo.
What?
And one next thing to me have to say, no woman feel say no can use front as gift for give man. For birthday, Valentine's, and want to go Christmas. Every special occasion, and want to go give man front.
Because
but yet, if we carry somehow I think can go, no, they not go want it.
But here's my thing, babe.
No, you may say
woman no rave so like how no rave both.
So uno enjoy.
We enjoy it, but we not rave
You
like
have
at
go
the
do,
end
man.
of the world.
Me go ensure say I'm me alone this week, you see me? Yes, you want me alright, me done.
What? So you're basically gonna be.
We go make your nose say for no one. Is it once me alright, me done.
What you think that's?
Cause you not go enjoy. Yes, me mind. You was say, you know. Oh, I'm me alone this week, you know. I'm me alone enjoy it, you know. I'm me alone rave about it, you know. Yes, once me alright, me done.
Very typical.
Yes, very typical. Shit. Yeah, me I tell you, pray this.
I'm just kidding.
If you know, as a woman, count this. Say me, I give you, say, 2 stab per second. Look. It's in. So me, I give you 120 stab per second. Pray me give you that for 3 minutes. Zin, so 120 times 3, that's 360. Dump yourself 360 times.
What that mean? You're using one for energy?
No, you can't manage it. Look.
Ow!
See that? Just be me.
So what's your point with that? I don't understand really what you're saying.
Woman, fit up go on like they want give. Man use front, give man for everything. You want we do something, you give it some front.
No,
Birthday,
because we make it such a thing where we can't use it like that because y'all made it so.
that's what I tell you say don't know. That's what I try to tell you say don't know.
Yeah, but if you don't stop putting,
You see, there's no different. There's no. There's no different. There's no difference with the coochie for my birthday. Now, me get it every other day. So why difference with it and for my birthday?
Well,
that any day on my birthday.
Women only do that because y'all put it on a pedestal, so they feel
so
like.
So I tell you say don't know.
Alright, so stop putting the cookie
see,
on a pedestal.
Like how no want them Louis Vuitton bag, them thing there. You want the new Jordans, PS5 and them thing there. Isn't it? Yeah, laugh.
Courtney, I don't do that to you though.
I mean?
For your birthday?
For my last birthday, what you give me?
For your last birthday?
For my last birthday, we can 2020. Tell me what you give me.
A lot of clothes and shoes.
After my birthday, that birthday.
That wasn't after.
Yeah.
Was I here on your birthday?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I actually cooked you a whole thingy.
Brother, you cook for me. We did it regular.
We met the people. We had a feast. He drank. He had a good, like you had a good time.
Would I have that same way?
But did you eat? I don't think you got any on that birthday. He was so drunk.
No, me never drunk.
Oh,
the day after, no. I said to Boom, I said, babe, when my birthday gift, she can look at me and tell me, say, oh, she's here. Isn't that enough gift?
My presents. It's a gift.
I get the presents right around here.
No.
It's upon my birthday.
Alright,
it's upon my birthday.
I can make sure, say.
Me need a gift because I make sure it's upon your birthday. You get gift.
What? When you give me for my last birthday?
Oh.
Tell me.
Oh. I never give you that one, man.
Yeah, but what did you give for the last birthday?
No worry, man. Your last birthday. See it over there, sir.
Didn't I give you some perfume?
With perfume?
The
perfume do you give
anyway,
me? Hold on, man. The perfume.
Let's stray from the topic now. So basically, I said, don't use the coochie as a gift.
For special occasions, for your man, no more. You're done with it.
And I'm saying, for men, as the Cardi B meme will say, if the man give you flowers for your man, you must always give a man under what him give you. Right? So if you give you roses, give him grass.
Man, never make it corrupt, man.
So you have to aim high. If you want to get big things, you have to go give me big things. So if you give me perfume now,
you never get big things. Big perfume I get, you know.
They'll give you an Irish Spring soap for your birthday still.
You know.
Anyway,
you
guys.
always get big things, man. So top worry.
Conclusively, we are going to log off. Babe, what was the goal of the video?
Huh?
What was the goal of the video? What was the goal of the video?
To find out if a woman enjoys sex just as much. Woman need it. The amount of time for you week. The amount of time they support. Cause me never know in our relationship when you put time in for sex. You know, there more something just roll over. Wake up in the middle of the night and want something in the early morning before I go to work. Is it me come in from work?
And me,
before I go to my bed.
And me, guys, just think differently. Me just feel like that's just so much times.
But
anyway, that's somebody else's problem in terms of somebody else want what he's giving, you know.
Some man said they say,
and vice versa.
If you want help, you know, just make me know what go on.
Babe, don't play with me. But anyway, bottom line is
why? Why?
Man, just share. But anyway, what's the bottom line?
Why?
Give it up, ladies. Ladies, come to a compromise, yeah. Twice a week, to me, is ideal. Him believing at 3 times a day. Comment below, guys. Tell me what you think is suitable for your lifestyle. Let me know that I'm not abnormal.
I mean,
maybe I'm the anomaly. I must be. But comment below and let me know, guys.
And I'm going to tell you a thing, and I'm going to tell you again. If you want help, you let me know. Okay, babe? If you want help, you just let me know.
Worry yourself, man.
Soon
get help.
That more you get, man.
Get your respitusha.
Tag team thing.
Get your respitusha from Norbit.
You know.
Anyway, guys.
When I can't go, no more you just said so.
Tap out. I'm always tapping out. Always tapping out.
No, man, tagging somebody.
Yo, I'm done with this guy, okay? Take back your ring. It's off. It's off.
Give it back.
Anyway, guys, that was it for this video. And Majestic Love says, peace out. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, alright?